We actually introduced that is a new speedboat by the name Advanced Airite, and it has very amazing performance. Okay, so I just want us to use I want us to actually trade that is over 2 with over 4 recovery by the use of the virtual hook. Okay, so this feature we never used to have it at that is in the, under the Airite speedboat. We never used to have it, but of course we had the virtual hook, but you could actually not combine two markets. So I have already created a robot for that. So this is the default robot. Just click there. In case you want to upload a robot, you click there. To download, you click here. So just need to click select bot, and I want us to load this advanced virtual monster. Just load, yeah, the way it is, and I want us to set up everything. Then after you take the trade, I'll actually explain the details. So just click here, global shared, and let's first of all set up the virtual losses. Because we are trading over 2, we can work with 2 virtual losses, yeah. Then you can deactivate there. Although when you're backtesting, you can try 2, you can try 3, 4, and see how they actually perform. Then now let's go to stop trading. This is where you normally set up our stop loss. So just click here and set consecutive losses to something like 4, like that. Then collapse that option. Then you have target profit and stop loss guard. Just click here. This is where you set up your target profit. Will actually be targeting for $100. Then our stop loss, of course, we can set up like 500 there. Although, because the reason why I have set it is because I'm actually using that is this option, the stop trading option, as my stop loss. Okay. Then the next thing that we're gonna do, you can actually see we have we have already filled those details. Now we need to set up our stick. So just click here, market 1. Then we have already set up the volatility to 10 1s, or even you can switch to something else different. Just click here, let's say like 25 1s, then cancel the default like that. Then what we need to do is collapse market volatilities option. Just click on it, then go to trade definition. You can actually see we are trading over 2. Collapse that option, then go to the risk manager. Just click on it. You are actually using a stake of 10. So let's adjust this and set up a stake of like 30. Is 30 okay? I think that's too small. Let's set up like $40. Yeah, as our stake. We are using a martingale factor of 2. Then collapse the risk manager option. I think we are done with that part. Then collapse market 1. Let's go open market 2. Market volatilities, we're gonna set up, make sure it's the same, vola 25 1s. Then cancel the default. Then click market volatilities. We already collapsed that option. Go to trade options. You can actually see we are trading over 4. The risk manager, this is where we set up our stake. We are staking that is 40 USD. Then click the risk manager and collapse that option. Then what else? I think we are done. Okay, so we have already set up everything. The next thing that we're gonna do is just click run. So after 2 consecutive virtual losses, the robot will switch to Lil. Just wait and see. So 3 consecutive virtual losses, the robot will switch to Lil. There it is, switch, win, amazing. Those are 2, another win. Okay, those are 2, another win. Okay, so far so good. You're waiting some other 2 virtual losses. That's 1. 2 consecutive virtual losses, the robot switches to Lil. So far so good. That's 1. No. Let's wait. So the virtual, it actually helps you to distribute the losses to a virtual account. So actually sometimes it can take long before you hit those 2 consecutive virtual losses. 1. So you just need to be patient. Those are 2, switch, win. We need like around like 3 more wins or even 4 more wins. Then we hit our target profit of $100. Those are 2. Boom. Yeah. Amazing. We need like 2, 3 more wins. Then we hit our target profit. So using the Vashook is one of the easiest. It's just the same as doing what you call hit and run, only now that we do it automatically. There are those, for example, when you are trading over 2, you wait for the tick to touch digit 0, 1 or 2, then run your robot, or even that is run your robot on over 2. Then after one trade you stop. That's what is actually happening here, only that now we are doing it automatically. Let's wait and see. 2 consecutive partial losses. Then I think it's actually hard in this market to get 2 consecutive partial losses. You can actually see how many trades we have. Actually, those are 2, switch 1. We need 2 more wins, then we hit our TP. It's actually taking a bit of time. 2, switch, boom. 1 last trade, yo-yo, boom. Target profit smashed. Just check how easy it is. 2 consecutive partial losses, boom. Then what it normally happen, this is, you can actually see the payout. That's an over 2 market, yeah. Then just in case we happen to hit a loss, the robots will switch from over 2 to over 4. It will actually try to make a recovery with over 4 market. So it's actually very, very simple. That's why we have what you call market 1 and market 2. So the market 1 is over 2. Then the moment we hit a loss, the robot will switch to market 2, which is over 4. Make a recovery. Once we make a win, the robot will go back to trading. That is over 1. Over 2. Yeah. Then we are actually applying the Vashook. That means the moment we get those partial losses, 2 consecutive partial losses, that means the TK is on digit 0, 1, 2, and 3. Has actually played around those 3 digits around, like that is 2 times, then the robot trades over 2. So you can actually see the performance. We didn't even incur any loss. Yeah. We took all trades, were all profit. So trading is very simple. Yeah, all you need to do is just visit erictraders.co.ke and get to backtest this strategy. You can actually see we were trading on advanced virtual monster on order 25 1S. If you click here, you can actually see we have market 1, market 2. You can also add some other markets, but now for this specific bot, for this specific custom automated robot, you really don't need to add all those markets, because everything is already set up for you. I'll actually be doing more and more videos on how you can actually be able to engage with these markets, the various options that you can actually apply. But you can actually see, at least specifically for this trade, we actually took 8 trades, all wins, and closed the trade at a profit of $111. Now this is what you have, we call the advanced Elite, which has more advanced option, better better analysis and all sorts of stuff. So just visit Eric Traders and backtest those backtest the robot, backtest that setup, and see how it works out. When it comes to the partial losses, you can try 2, you can try 3, you can also try 1 and see which performs best. Then you can actually settle on which specific digit you can work with as your virtual loss. Sawa sawa. Goodbye guys.